In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in email on Gmail. Easy guide. If you've ever wanted certain words to stand out in your Gmail messages, bold is the quickest way to do it. You can bold text using a simple keyboard shortcut or the built-in formatting toolbar. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the method that feels most natural. First, open your browser and sign in to Gmail. You can bold text whether you're starting a brand new email or replying to an existing thread. So go ahead and click Compose, or open a message and hit Reply to bring up the editor. Let's start with the fastest option, keyboard shortcuts. Place your cursor in the message body and type a few words. To bold specific words you've already typed, highlight that text first. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl and B together. On a Mac, press Command and B. You'll see the selected text instantly become bold. If you prefer, you can also toggle bold on before you start typing. Then type your text normally. Press the same shortcut again to turn bold off. It's a toggle either way. Now, if you like using your mouse or you're not a shortcut person, the formatting toolbar does the same thing. With your Compose or Reply window open, highlight the text you want to emphasize. Look along the bottom of the email window for the small A icon labeled Formatting Options. Click that to reveal the toolbar. Then click the B icon. Your highlighted text becomes bold right away. If you don't see the toolbar, clicking the A icon will expand it. And just like with the shortcut, clicking B again will remove bold from the selection. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use bold for headings, dates, action items, or anything you don't want your reader to miss, but keep it sparing so your message stays easy to scan. If you're mixing bold with other styles like italics or color, apply bold first, then layer the other styles so you keep control over how everything looks. And remember, Gmail saves your formatting as you type, so there's no separate save button needed. That's all there is to it. Whether you use Control or Command B or the B button on the formatting toolbar, you can make your key points pop in seconds. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.